Well, hey there, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we got some going on here. Got a little hack. Um, I'm gonna change the wheels from the Toro ones, the front ones, to the Ryobi. Uh, I like the Ryobi because it's lighter. It's plastic. It's battery. I don't need gas. Um, and it's got some good juice. So I'll be changing the tires from the Toro ones to the other one. Um, the one thing I don't like about this one, it's way too high. It's at the lowest setting, but it's still too high. So I'm gonna change those tires to the front, and the Ryobi ones that has on the back, we're gonna change them to the front. And that's the lowest, but it's still kind of high on the grass. So stick around. We change them. Take those tires to the yellow one, and we'll see at the end. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I mean, I can always put them back. They both work, but like I said, the Ryobi ones is really light, and I think I'd rather use that one. And we'll see at the end. Here's half inch, and nope, maybe, yes, no. Okay, I'm trying to do this with one hand. There you go. And all right, hold on. All right, we got the right socket now. So 13. So let's bring that one out. One out. Now let's take out the other one over here. Let's take that one out. And as you can see, it's smaller, so it should bring it down. Let's see. And it should be the same socket for that one. Down on this one, gonna have to use one here, and okay. I'm trying to get it with one hand. That's not gonna work. Hold on. Okay, I think that's better now. So, let's see. There we go. Okay, so now we bring it here. Should fit. Okay, I don't think this one's gonna go in there. Well, it's not gonna go in there. It's not long enough. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this part. I'm gonna cut a chunk, and should be able to go in there. Let's see. Let's cut it. That's why I said, guys, we're gonna sacrifice this one. Cut enough so that shaft goes in there. Maybe a little more. Now, there you go. Let's see, let's try it now. And looks like it still needs a lot more. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's all the way in. Obviously, it's going to wobble because this shaft is not as thick as the other one. But let's cut some more. I'll be back. Alright, well there you go. Took a chunk off and now it works. Oops, sorry guys. And now it should work. There you go. Like I said, it's gonna be wobbly, but it's all good. Should work. Maybe I'll find like a little piston or what do you call it? Something to make it a little bit more or less wobbly. So let's tighten this up. There you go, guys. So now this one's I'm gonna use it for the back. There you go. I use it for the back, and that should bring us down. I don't know, maybe even an inch. We'll see. Well, let's take this one out, and then we'll put this. All right, so we got this one. The one on the back. And we put the one that used to be on the front. Put it in the back. And there you go, guys. I already changed the other ones. One's on the other side. Same process for both. Oops. And that's pretty low if you ask me. We'll see. So right there, that's the highest with the original tires. And we'll see how it looks with this new setup. I'll paint those black so it matches. I meant the lowest. So I was gonna put some string to do the yard, to do the sides, and it turns out that this thing, it's not the right size. I bought the wrong one. This one is way too thick. Oh, I really want to try that lawnmower. So I'll see if I can find some wire or something so we can stick in this, just at least just for today. Be back. Okay, so I found this laying around, so we'll try this, see if it works. Like I said, it's just for this one time. Okay, so it's definitely a lot shorter. I like it. You can see from here maybe. Yep, you can see that line right there. One thing I do not like, so my son plays soccer every day with his friends, and all this rock on the other side, you see, I had to be taking them out every time I cut the grass. Same thing over here. So I'm gonna have to come out with something so the rock is not so close to the grass area, because it is dangerous when this thing pulls out those rocks. It's lower now. I got a couple of them shooting out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting it. Yep, you can see the difference right there, those lines.